Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling double tap to zoom on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, you can double tap 2 fingers on the watch screen simultaneously to zoom in. Follow the steps to learn how to enable the setting. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down Settings and select Accessibility. Tap Zoom. Tap the toggle to the right of Zoom to enable or disable Tap to Zoom. When the toggle is green, Tap to Zoom is enabled. When grey, it is disabled. If you scroll down, you can change the maximum zoom level by tapping the plus and minus, or using the digital crown. The maximum zoom level is how much it will zoom in when you double tap to zoom. If you tap hand gestures, you can enable hand gestures to zoom. Here you can choose specific hand gestures to zoom in and pan. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.